How to navigate with FreeNow's built-in Google Maps. Hello everybody. If you guys would like to do so, you may just simply follow up the steps. So for that, you need to request a ride within the application first. Head over the app, log in into your account, and just head over and order a ride. Go ahead and select your vehicle, and after that, you can select the app from where to when, like your location. And once you done do that, once the driver accepts your request, the free now application will automatically handle the navigation to what's you. Look for order now, and the app will seamlessly launch Google Maps like this, displaying your route with turn by turn directions. So you may just go and look out for that, and Google Maps will provide you live traffic updates and reroute you if necessary to ensure the most efficient route to your destination. You don't need to manually enter your destination or switch between application, as the navigation is integrated directly within the free application now. And that's it. So therefore, if you would like to navigate with FreeNow's built-in Google Maps, you may also follow the same process. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.